Hello everyone. Welcome to SCON Design India Pvt Limited. Today we are taking you to a real project site in Bangalore, Bangalore, where our team completed manual soil testing at 4 different points before the start of construction. Many people purchase land and immediately begin the construction. However, one of the biggest mistakes property owners makes it skipping soil testing. A building may look strong for the outside, but its actually strength depends on the foundation, and the foundation depends on the soil. That's why soil testing is the first and most important step before constructing any house, apartment, or commercial building, warehouses, or industrial structure. In this video, we will explain why soil test is important, how our team conduct the soil test, and how the result help engineers design safe foundations. Let's begin. Every building transforms its load to the ground through the foundation. If the soil is weak, the building may develop cracks, settlement issues, and structural problems in future. Many people spend lakhs and crores on construction material, interior, and elevations, but they ignore the condition of the soil beneath the ground. Soil testing helps us understand whether the land is capable or supporting the proposed structure safety. Bangalore is one of Bangalore's fastest growing area due to rapid urban development. Different type of soil condition can be found within short distance. Some area may contain hard soil while other may have soft clay, filled soil, or moisture affected layers. Because of these variations, it is not advisable to assume the all plot have the same soil condition. That's why our client approached SCON Design India Pvt Limited for soil investigation before starting the construction. After visiting the site, our engineer team identified 4 testing locations. The test points were selected strategically to cover the entire plot area and obtain a clear understanding of the soil profile. Once the point were marked, manually soil testing work started. During the excavation process, our team carefully observed the soil layers at different depths. Each layer was inspected for its color, texture, density, and moisture content. These observations help us understand the behavior of the soil under structural loads. As the depth increased, we recorded changes in soil condition and documented every observations. This process is extremely important because soil condition can change significantly with depth. Sometimes the upper layer appears suitable while deeper layers are weak. In other cases, strong strata may exist below soft surface soil. Identifying these layers helps structural engineers determine the most suitable foundation depth. One of the major objectives of soil testing is determining the safe bearing capacity, commonly known as SBC. Safe bearing capacity indicates how much load the soil can safely support without failure or extensive settlement. This value is critical for structural designs. Based on soil condition and SPC values, engineers decide whether isolated footing, column footings, raft foundation, or file foundation are required. Without proper soil data, foundation design becomes uncertain and risky. Many people, many property owners ask whether soil testing is really necessary for residential buildings. The answer is yes. Whether you are constructing a small house or a large complex, understanding the soil condition is very beneficial. The cost of the soil testing is very small when compared to the construction budget. However, the benefits are significant. It's improve safety, it's reduction construction risk, it prevent future foundation problems, and it helps optimize structural design. In many cases, soil testing can actually save money by preventing unnecessary over design. At SCON Design India Private Limited, we believe that every successful project begins with proper site investigation. Our team follows a schematic approach to ensure accurate observation and reliable reporting. After completing the field investigation, all observating are compiled into professional report. The report provide valuable information for architects, structural engineers, builders, and property owners. Apart from soil investigation services, SCON Design India Private Limited also provide land survey services, topographical services, revenue survey services, architectural planning, structural design, BIM services, construction consulting, layout development support, and project coordination services. We proudly serve residential, commercial, industrial, and infrastructure projects across the Bangalore and Karnataka. Our goal is to provide accurate engineering solution that helps clients make information decisions. The Belandur soil test project is another example of our commitment to quality professional service. If you are planning to purchase land, building a house, development a layout, construction, warehouse, or stay in a construction project, make sure you conduct soil test before beginning work. A strong foundation start with understanding the ground beneath your feet. Thank you for watching this video. If you are found this content useful, please like, share, and subscribe to SCON Design India Private Limited. For soil test, land survey, architecture, BIM and construction service, contact SCON Design India Private Limited today. See you in our next project video. Thank you. SCON Design India Private Limited, soil test, land survey, architecture, and BIM. Call to site inspection. Subscribe for real construction project and engineering knowledge videos.